Do you want to view and export your E01 files? Introducing SysTools E01 Viewer Pro. The tool scan and load all the EDB, PST, and OST files from the uploaded E01 file in the preview panel. It allows you to view the metadata content of selective file formats in the preview section. Scan and preview data content of the E01 files created by FTK Imager, Encase Disk Imager. Preview content of all file formats in uploaded E01 file. The tool provides inbuilt viewer for viewing the supported formats data. The software have best search option based on date, file name, and file extensions. Download and run the software. You will see the main screen of the software. The software has user-friendly interface. Here you will see the Open option to add your files. Click on the Open. One window will appear here. In this window you will see two options. In all option, you will all types of files get recover. Second option is select file type. In this option only selected file types will get recover. Now you can see here two option. If you want to add single file then select file option. Otherwise select folder option. Now click on browse button to browse your data. After adding the data click on the OK button. Now you will see the folder tree in the left side of the software pane. Click on the required folder to view the files. You can see your all files in the right side of the software pane. The tool has a filter option. In this option you can select a specific category data to view the specific files. Next come to the search option. In this option you will see the date filter option also. You can add your data with created or modified the date range. In the search option you can also search for the specific files. From the preview pane choose the file and double-click on the file. One window will appear here. In this window click on the file and you will easily view the file that you want to see. This expert tool also helps you extract and save the desired files from you uploaded E01 files. So search any file type from search bar option. From the preview pane, you can save all files or you can save selected file. Now click on the Save Selected option. Choose the destination path and click on the OK button. Once the export completed successfully click on the OK button. You can directly access the exported file by clicking on the location. Here you can see the exported file. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any queries mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.